In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to alert news flow in TradingView. We'll set up real-time alerts from news flow so you never miss market-moving headlines that matter to you. First, open your browser and go to tradingview.com. At the top of the homepage, find the products menu. Click it, then choose News Flow. This opens TradingView's consolidated news feed, which aggregates headlines across markets in real time. Once the feed loads, take a moment to scroll and get a feel for the layout. You'll see timestamped items with sources and brief summaries. To make this truly useful, we'll narrow the stream to what matters to you and then enable alerts. Look for the filter controls. This is where you decide what should trigger an alert. Start by selecting the market you care about, such as stocks, crypto, forex, or indices. Next, refine by corporate activity if you want items like earnings, dividends, guidance, mergers, or insider moves. Add economics if macro releases are important to you, including inflation prints, employment data, or central bank statements. You can also limit results by country, so the feed focuses on the regions you actively trade or monitor. With those filters set, return to the feed view. Under the news flow list, locate the small drop-down arrow next to the filter header or category line. Click it to reveal the alert options for your current filter selection. Now toggle on the news alert. TradingView will monitor the feed using the exact filters you chose and notify you the moment a matching headline appears. If you're not signed in, you may be prompted to log in, so the alert can be saved to your account. Keep in mind that alerts respect your filters, so the tighter the filter, the fewer but more relevant notifications you'll receive. A good approach is to begin with one market and a handful of countries, then gradually expand as needed. If you trade around specific sessions, align your filters to those hours to avoid unnecessary interruptions. When alerts start coming in, they appear in your TradingView notifications, and if you use the app or email notifications, you'll get them there too. You can pause an alert by toggling it off from the same dropdown and adjust filters anytime to fine-tune signal quality as conditions evolve. Big macro days can flood the feed, so balance breadth with relevance to keep your workflow focused. That's it. You've navigated to the news flow, applied filters for market, corporate activity, economics, and country, opened the dropdown, and switched on alerts. From now on, TradingView will surface the headlines you care about when you need them.